Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remotely control any device, whether it's another phone, a PC, or a smart device, using a simple setup with AnyDesk and X8 Sandbox. I'll walk you through each step, so make sure to watch to the end, because I'll also show you how to get full control permissions for complete access. Controlling a device remotely is simple. Subscribe if you like stuff like this. First, open your Google Play Store or the official website in description and type in AnyDesk. You'll see the official AnyDesk app by AnyDesk Software, GmbH. Go ahead and install that. Once it's installed, scroll down to the publisher's name on the app page and tap it. This will reveal all related apps and plugins by AnyDesk. Some devices, especially certain Android versions, need additional plugins for remote control to work properly. So I recommend installing all the plugins you find here. Pick the ones most suitable for your remote device. For example, some plugins are labeled for specific devices type. Now that we have AnyDesk ready, open X8 Sandbox on your phone. While X8 Sandbox is booting, open AnyDesk on your main phone, the one you'll use to control the other device. The first time you open it, it'll request a few permissions. Make sure to grant them all, and most importantly, head to your phone's settings, find the accessibility settings, and enable AnyDesk there too. This is very important because it allows AnyDesk to simulate touches and perform actions during remote sessions. After giving all permissions, you'll see your AnyDesk address displayed at the top of the screen. This is your connection code. Keep it visible, and now let's switch back to X8 Sandbox. If you haven't added AnyDesk inside X8 Sandbox yet, tap on Add App and select AnyDesk from your installed apps list. This will make a copy of AnyDesk available within the sandboxed environment. Open it, and once it launches, you'll be asked to paste a remote address. Now, here's the important part. On the remote device you want to control, whether it's a PC or a smart device, you need to have AnyDesk installed and running there too. On that device, take note of its AnyDesk address. Paste that address into the connection field and tap Connect. A connection request will appear on the remote device. Have the person there accept the connection and choose the permissions they want to grant you. If it fails to connect the first time when switching between the sandbox and your phone, don't worry. Try it one more time. Paste the address again, hit Connect, and it should work smoothly. Once it connects successfully, you'll notice you can now view the remote device's screen from within X8 Sandbox. This means your phone is controlling that device virtually. All right, as you can see, we're now fully connected. Everything on the remote device is visible right here on my screen. Let's take a moment to test it out. I'll start by swiping through the remote device's home screens. Notice how every swipe happens instantly on both sides. There's barely any lag, and you can open, move, and navigate the remote phone or PC just like you would if you were holding it yourself. And if you've made it this far, you're clearly loving this trick. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I drop powerful, no-nonsense tutorials like this every week you won't want to miss. All right, let's keep going. Now let's take it up a notch. I'm going to open the browser on the remote device. See how easy that was? The app responds immediately. Let's type something simple into the search bar. I'll search for latest tech tutorials. And look at that, it loads perfectly. This proves you're not just viewing the screen, but actually controlling the device in real time. But to unlock full control, watch this. On the remote device screen, I'll tap the three-dot menu at the top of the AnyDesk interface, head to Permissions, and switch it to full access. This now allows me to perform every possible action: install apps, delete files, even restart the device if needed. Now, to test control features, tap the floating AnyDesk icon on your Sandbox screen and switch to cursor mode. Move your finger around and you'll see the pointer moving on both your phone and the remote device. You can also switch to touchpad mode for smoother navigation, especially useful if you're controlling a PC or a device with smaller touch areas. But here's a pro tip. For even better control, head to the remote device, tap the three-dot menu on the connection window, go to Permissions, and switch it to full control. This will let you not just view and move the cursor, but also perform taps, open apps, and make system changes if needed. And that's it. You've successfully set up remote control access to any device using AnyDesk and X8 Sandbox. You can now manage another phone, help another with an issue on their device, access a PC screen, or even test apps on a virtual phone like I did, all from your own phone. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more powerful tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. I reply to every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.